In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide of how to update the Sheeran Looper Plus. Now, before we get into this bad boy, what we need to do is download the software, and that is found on SheeranLoopers.com. Once you've got to SheeranLoopers.com and you can see Ed performing there, then you need to go to the menu, go down to Support and Downloads. Once you're here, you'll see the Looper Plus and the Looper X. Go to the Looper Plus and click Learn More. Now, the nice thing with their website is they figure out whether you're on PC or Mac. So you can see here, it says download the latest version. The latest version now is version 2. And it says here, we've got for Mac, we can put the download arrow. You can download it for PC as well, but it auto-populates, which I quite like. It's quite nice. So we'll give this a click and it'll download to your hard drive. So on my desktop, it's downloaded. It's a DMG on a Mac. You can see it says Sheeran Looper Plus firmware uploader for firmware 2.0.0.16. Now, when we give this a double click, it'll open up and you'll see it says Sheeran Looper Plus firmware updater. So if we actually open this up on a Mac, it checks for the firmware and it asks if you're sure you want to open it. So you click open. So the clever thing about the firmware updater is the firmware is built into the updater. So the updater, it says at the bottom here is version 1.0.1, but it says update to firmware version 2 and 2.0016, and then it says there's no Looper Plus connected, so we just need to turn it on and connect it, and I'll show you that now. So next we need the cable. So this is USB-B to USB-A, but I've got a C adapter because it's going into my Mac. So we plug the cable into the back, and then we plug the other end into the Mac. That wasn't meant to rhyme, but it did. Now, from a Mac's point of view, when you do this, you'll get a message coming up saying, do you want to connect the Headrush Sheeran Looper Plus to this Mac? And we're going to click Allow. So now you've got this connected. You don't actually have to do anything with the Looper per se. You just click Scan for Device. And now it's found it. You can see it says click the Update Firmware button to start the update process, which is here. And we just give it a click. You'll see this goes into update mode automatically, and then it's doing the update. Now, this can take a minute, of course, and you need to leave it and let it do its job. It doesn't take too long, as I say, and there it goes. You've got an update bar here, and the update bar is the same on the computer. Now it's resetting, and we're now ready to go. And the great thing is it gives you an update. So it now obviously looks like it's ready to go. You can see the green light is pulsing, and it says on the Mac, device's current firmware 2.0.0.16. which is the latest. Now, at the time of filming this, it's version 2.0.0.16, and I'm going to be going over version 2 in a separate video. Now, if you want to go and pick a Sheeran Looper Plus up, then of course you can do, and I've got links in the description box for some of the best prices. There are affiliate links that do help out the channel, but no extra charge to you. And if you want to see an overview of the Sheeran Looper Plus with a demo, then click this video because, well, that's what it is.